This pattern is called the skirt front with inverted pleat at center front. So what we need to do first is outline our skirt front sloper as is, and make sure you do it to the left as most that you can. So we are just adding an extension here for that pleat. So I'm gonna go ahead, trace this as is, and don't forget your pivot point. And your hip line. Perfect. And go ahead, draw in my hip line, and then you can see my pivot points. I'm gonna go ahead and label hip line. And all we need to do is add our extension to our center front, which we want to make 2 inches in width. I'm gonna line up my ruler on my center front, make a line all the way down, and I'm gonna take, here we go, my French curve. I'm going to line this guy up at the top, straight across at the bottom. And then, just right, which way we want to fold this. We want to fold this towards the, or past the center front, so towards the right. And again, this was 2 inches. Here's our center front. And we are going to place this section on the fold. Now, the only thing tricky about this is we want to make sure that the waist measurement, so I know we drew this up with the French curve, but we want to make sure that it's going to be the same shape up here as it is going to be over here. And then the bottom doesn't matter, it's going to be straight across. So when I cut this out, I am going to fold on that center front line here. Actually, I'm just going to cut that across. So just want to make sure that I am getting that same line. So you'll see it makes this tiny little peak up at the top. And I'm going to cut out as is around my whole pattern because we didn't modify those darts in any way. At the waist, don't worry about doing a dart cap. We won't waste our time with that. And then all we have to finish for this one is labeling. This is a very quick, easy example. This is the skirt front, chapter 11, example 5. We are going to cut 1, remember, oops, because we did it on the fold. And this is called, I'm just gonna write on here because this is kind of large. This is chapter 11, example 5. Skirt front, or you can just shorten it and do SF with inverted pleat at center front. We are missing our grain line, which is parallel to our center front, and our hip line I'm just going to extend across here as well. And that is all.